Hey guys, one second, I gotta fix my webkins that I'm holding her. If I can. Oh, hey guys, this is my webkins, Ginger kitten or cat, and I made it a raincoat out of plastic wrap because my dad said I should, and so I did. And my iPod is covered with plastic wrap so it can't get wet, which is a good idea, right? Yeah, I know, but it's raining outside. I love rain. I seriously do. It's awesome. I'm gonna like jump in a puddle. Let's go find a puddle. Let's go find a puddle. Right? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, there's a big puddle. Oh no, should I take off my shoes and socks? I think I should. Webkins, you're gonna, I don't know where you're gonna go. You wanna float in this puddle? Okay, sorry. There it goes. That is so funny. Look. Look at her go. Uh-oh. 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 Just kidding now. Oh, she got stuck. Oh, I love you. I love you. Let's go. Go. There we go. She's starting to float. Oh, wait. Just a little bit. Oh, well. I don't think her raincoat's gonna work anymore, so I'm just gonna like leave it over here. I'm gonna take off my shoes and my socks. So I can, yeah. Okay. I know I wear some stupid shoes. I don't really care. Okay, my feet are freezing. Yay! Okay. Then I'm gonna jump in that huge puddle. 1 second, I gotta wipe off. Hopefully I don't step on something sharp because that would stink. This one? Ah ha ha. Ah ha ha. Look at this pile of sticks. I love this. It's so fun. You hear that noise? That's my face. Look at my pants. They're all wet. Oh no, it's raining harder. Take cover under this tree. So fun. Okay, look, you see her? She's over there. Okay, let's go. Okay, I think I'm done. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very fun to do, even though it was a short amount of time. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this. More videos soon. I love you guys. Subscribe. Bye.